Welcome to our video on the top 10 banking and finance certifications for 2023. Hello friends, it's me, Ruchika, and I have 10 years of experience in finance and banking for multinational companies. In this video, we'll look at some of the most in-demand certifications in the banking and finance industry, what they cover and what it takes to obtain them. Whether you're a new professional just starting or an experienced professional looking to take your career to the next level, these certifications can help you stand out in a competitive job market. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Chartered Financial Analyst, CFA, is the top certification on our list. All across the world, finance professionals aspire to have the CFA certification. The 3 levels are broken down into an average completion time of 4 years. It is recognized as one of the best qualifications in finance. To become a Chartered Financial Analyst, CFA, one must meet the following eligibility requirements. Education. Candidates must have a bachelor's degree from an accredited college or university, or be in the final year of their undergraduate studies. Professional experience. Candidates must have at least 4 years of professional work experience in investment decision-making. This experience can include financial analysts, portfolio manager, and research analyst roles. The average salary for a chartered financial analyst, CFA, varies depending on the country and industry. The average salary for a CFA is around $120,000 annually in the United States. In Canada, the average salary for a CFA is around 100,000 Canadian dollars per year. The average salary for a CFA in Europe varies depending on the country, but generally ranges from 70,000 to 100,000 euros per year. However, it's important to note that salary can depend on an individual's experience level, education, and specific job responsibilities. Number 2. Chartered Alternative Investment Analyst, CAIA. The second certification on our list is the Chartered Alternative Investment Analyst, CAIA, which is targeted at professionals in the asset management and hedge fund sectors and focuses on alternative investing. The key subjects addressed by the CAIA include risk management, asset allocation, real assets, hedge funds, private equity, and structured products. To be eligible to take the Chartered Alternative Investment Analyst (CAIA) exam, candidates are required to have a bachelor's degree, in example, MBA, MS, JD, etc., from an accredited institution, and a minimum of 2 years of professional work experience in the alternative investment industry is required. The average salary for a CAIA in the United States can range from $100,000 to $300,000 per year. Salaries can vary depending on factors such as the type of employer, in example hedge funds, a private equity firm, investment bank, etc., the candidate's level of experience and location. In Canada, the average salary for a CAIA can range from 80,000 to 200,000 Canadian dollars per year. In Europe, the average salary for a CAIA can range from 70,000 to 200,000 euros per year. Number 3. Financial Risk Manager, FRM. The third certification on our list is Financial Risk Manager, FRM. This is the best certification for you to work as a risk analyst for a company or establish yourself in the risk management industry. Additionally, you can support clients who want to choose wise investments. You can earn this certification for less than $1,500. Although it's more complicated to pass FRM first and FRM second in a year. FRM has a pass rate of about 50%, but it varies from year to year. GARP, the Global Association of Risk Professionals, manages FRM. To become a financial risk manager, FRM, you typically need a minimum of a bachelor's degree in a related field, such as finance, economics, or mathematics. You also need relevant work experience, typically at least 2 years of experience in financial risk management. The average salary for a financial risk manager, FRM, varies depending on the location of the specific company or industry. In the United States, the average salary for a FRM is around $122,000 per year. In Canada, the average salary is around 110,000 Canadian dollars per year. In Europe, the average salary ranges from 70,000 to 120,000 euros per year, depending on the country. Number 4. Certified Public Accountant, CPA. This certification is the best if you love accounting more than finance. You also need to obtain your CPA license. Furthermore, you can pass the test if you study correctly. There has been a 50% success rate on the first try. A bachelor's degree or higher in accounting or related field is typically required. However, some states may accept the degree in a different field if the candidate has completed sufficient coursework in an accounting and related subjects. The average salary for a certified public accountant, CPA, can vary depending on several factors, such as location, experience, industry, and company size. In the United States and Canada, the salary can range from around $50,000 to $120,000 or more. And in Europe, the average salary ranges from 40,000 to 70,000 euros per year, depending on the country. Number 5. Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA. The Financial Business Regulatory Authority, FINRA, has Series 6, 7, 63, and 65 exams, the 5th certification on our list. The FINRA conducts several exams for anyone looking to work in the securities industry. These tests consist of the following. Series 6. Series 6 is the representative qualification examination for investment companies and variable contract products, selling mutual funds, variable annuities, and other securities from registered investment companies require passing this exam. Series 7. Series 7 is the general examination for securities representatives. For those who wish to work as a registered representative of a broker-dealer and engage in securities transactions with the general public, a more thorough exam covering a wide range of securities products is necessary. Series 63. Series 63 is the state law test for uniform securities agents. Most states require this exam in order for someone to sell securities, and it is frequently taken in tandem with the Series 6 or Series 7 exam. Series 65. Series 65 tests uniformity in investment advisor law. Anyone who wants to serve as an investment advisor and offer clients financial advice must pass this exam. State and federal laws may specify that you must pass these tests in order to get a license to work in the security sector. In Europe, the average salary for a financial advisor with FINRA Series 7 and 66 licenses can vary widely, and it is hard to provide an average salary. A FINRA license makes around $120,000 annually in the United States and Canada. Number 6. Professional Risk Manager, PRM. It is a professional certification program provided by the Professional Risk Managers International Association, PRMIA. The education requirements to become a professional risk manager, PRM, can vary depending on the organization offering the certification. However, a bachelor's degree in a related field, such as finance, economics, business, or accounting, and a minimum of 2 years of professional experience in risk management is typically required. The average salary for a professional risk manager, PRM, varies depending on the location and the specific company or industry. In the United States, the average salary for a PRM is around $90,000 per year. In Canada, the average salary is around 80,000 Canadian dollars per year. In Europe, the average salary ranges from 65,000 to 80,000 euros per year, depending on the country. Number 7. Certified Treasury Professional, CTP. A professional certification program provided by the Association for Financial Professionals, AFP. To become a certified Treasury Professional, CTP, you typically need to meet the following requirements: a bachelor's degree from an accredited college or university in any field, and a minimum of 2 years of professional experience in the treasury management field required. In the United States, the average salary for a CTP is around $100,000 per year. In Canada, the average salary for a CTP is around 85,000 Canadian dollars per year, depending on the experience, qualification, and the specific industry or company. In Europe, the average salary ranges from 50,000 to 80,000 euros per year. Number 8. Certified Financial Planner, CFP. A CFP certification should be sought if you wish to work as or hire a financial planner. To become a certified financial planner, CFP, you typically need at least a bachelor's degree, although it does not have to be in a specific field. In addition, you will also need to have at least 3 years of professional experience in the financial planning field, pass a background check, and agree to abide by the CFP Board's Code of Ethics and Standards of Conduct. In the United States, the average salary for a CFP is around $110,000 per year, depending on location, employer, and experience level. In Europe, the average salary for a CFP can vary widely, depending on the country and the specific job or industry. The CFP exam is a computer-based test consisting of multiple-choice questions, and the passing rate for the CFP exam is typically around 60–65%. Number 1. Certified Management Accountant, CMA. To become a Certified Management Accountant, CMA, you typically need at least a bachelor's degree, and the degree does not have to be in a specific field. Still, it is generally recommended to be in a business-related field, such as accounting, finance, or business management. To be eligible for the CMA exam, you must also meet the experience requirements of the Institute of Management Accountants, IMA. The IMA requires candidates to have at least 2 years of experience in management accounting or financial management. The average salary for a CMA is around $100,000 per year in the United States. However, this can range from around $70,000 to $120,000 or more. or more, depending on location, employer, and experience level. It is determined based on the exam's difficulty level and the test taker's performance. And the Institute of Management Accountants, IMA, does not disclose the exact passing score for the exam. Number 10. Chartered Financial Consultant, CHFC. You might choose CHFC certification if you need to pursue CFP certification. This certification is a perfect substitute because it will help you specialize and cover everything you would learn in the CFP. To be eligible for the CHFC certification, you must meet the education and experience requirements the American College of Financial Services, ACFC, set. The education requirement for the CHFC certification includes completing college-level courses covering financial planning, income taxation, investments, and estate planning. The ACFC also requires candidates to have at least 3 years of experience in the financial services industry before applying for the certification. In the United States and Canada, the average salary for a CHFC is around $80,000 per year. However, this can range from around $60,000 to $120,000, depending on location, employer, and experience level. It's worth noting that the CHFC certification is considered a gold standard in financial consulting, and it is recognized globally. This certification can open up many opportunities and give you a competitive advantage in the job market. That's it for our video on the top 10 banking and finance certification for 2023. We hope you find it informative and helpful. Remember, obtaining a professional certification can significantly enhance your skills, increase marketability, and advance your career. And it's also important to remember that these certifications aren't only for current financial professionals, but also those who want to start a career in the financial industry. So, take your time to research and consider which certification is the best fit for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video and remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon on your way out to see more video on banking and finance. See you all in another video.